Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can auto translate chat in Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and find a game that you would like to play. And once you have found the game, go ahead, tap on this play icon. You just have to wait a while for it to join the server. Just wait patiently. Then right over here, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Right now you're gonna go to this little icon, this Roblox icon, the menu icon, and from over here you're gonna switch to the settings. Now when you are here in the settings, you will find this experience language, which you can change as well. And over here you will find this option of automatic chat translation. If you want to turn it off, you can simply go ahead, toggle it off, and if you want to turn it on, you can even tap on it and it will be on. That's how easy it is for you to toggle it off and on. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.